A business-to-business transfer refers to the situation where businesses make commercial transactions with one another. In terms of the car tyre industry, it involves the sourcing, manufacturing, and transportations of car tyres to distributors. This presentation will be analysing 4 important logistics operations in the car tyre manufacturing industry. These include what the typical supply chain looks like, what types of information systems they need to use, how the industry measures logistic performance, and what role reverse logistics play. To begin, I will assess what the typical supply chain looks like in the car tyre industry. As the tyre industry is expected to grow by 4.3%, the supply chain as a result is increasing in complexity. Thus, the industry needs to ensure costs are being reduced, order to delivery is fastened, and there needs to be an effective network logistics system to effectively store and distribute tyres. Across the industry, there are a number of steps. Firstly, cohesive planning with all the companies in the logistics structure takes place to ensure there is an optimized supply chain. Next, sourcing of appropriate materials occurs. A selection of rubber, as well as special oils and carbon black, are selected to ensure there is a unique mixture of black and gum, as well as selecting different types of steel and textiles. These ingredients are then split and forwarded to multiple manufacturing locations, which depends on the distance to the distributor, to minimize cost and smooth the flow of inbound parts. Next, manufacturing occurs. Materials are shipped, tagged, logged, and stored, and once needed, they are transported to the production line to optimize plant usage and efficiency. These tyres are then manufactured into different sizes, patterns, and qualities. They are then stored into a clearance of goods system to ensure a just-in-time delivery to the distributor. Finally, the goods are delivered to distributors through planned delivery routes that have access to major roadways and port access on tracked vehicles. These tyres are then sold to retailers and consumers through a variety of marketing channels and through channel intermediaries to ensure optimal sales. Therefore, an appropriate, sustainable network efficiency system is necessary to conclude the flow of materials, documentation, and information. Secondly, the car tyre industry needs to ensure that the information systems they use will provide them with optimal configuration, efficiency, and effectiveness, vital to integrating suppliers and distributors in the supply chain. Incorporating an effective enterprise resourcing planning system, all of the business's processes will be processed, shared, and practiced across the enterprise in a database, allowing for access to information in real time. Furthermore, in general, the industry uses an Internet of Things solution, where all the data communication in the tyre can be controlled and tracked, enabling the oversee of productivity in warehousing, transportation, and delivery. According to Oracle, this system will integrate design requests, collaborations with dealers, order statuses, demand information, delivery information, distribution, marketing and customer service, transportation management, and manufacturing, thus connecting every aspect of the supply chain. Industry needs and uses this information system to forecast sales, costs, machinery, and staff to increase capacity, but also ensure rapid responses to an ever-changing environment. If there is an appropriate information system in the car tyre industry, it is then easy to measure logistics performance. Generally speaking, within the car tyre industry, there are certain key performance indicators that are vital to ensure success. Using the balanced scorecard method, the inclusion of non-financial and financial metrics help with long-term improvement. This method enables the industry to consider 4 broad KPIs. Number 1, the customer perspective, which includes customer satisfaction and market share. Number 2, internal process perspective, which includes product development and production, and many more. Number 3, employee learning and growth perspective, which can include skills and employee satisfaction. And number 4, financial perspective, which can include profitability and revenue. These perspectives enable the industry to communicate to employees, stakeholders, and consumers about the outcomes whilst considering their performance drives. These KPIs are indicators that the car tyre industry wants to maintain and grow financial revenue, satisfy consumer demands, but also ensure that their product is produced sustainably, not affecting the environment, but providing help to the communities that they work in. These are directly related to logistics due to how much tyres are needed, warehouse spacing, transportation options, and the development of the product. The industry will be able to relentlessly improve the quality, development, and brand of their product. Furthermore, the car tyre industry must ensure that the reverse logistics system that is put in place is both effective and efficient. Reverse logistics deals with the flow of tyres that originates from the consumer. In general, the industry has implemented reverse logistics and return management into their planning, as it not only is extremely costly, but it plays an important role in the development of the product due to quality defects or lack of customer satisfaction. In general, across the car tyre industry, they use a closed loop supply chain, which sees rejected products to be sent to a collection centre to be either treated or recycled. This system can help reduce impacts on the environment by increasing resource utilisation through fixing and reusing the product instead of resourcing for new supplies. Ensuring that reverse logistics is done in a timely manner, the company can further establish an honest and incredible brand image for consumers, thus gaining a competitive advantage. Reverse logistics plays an important role in the operational efficiency, the reduction of production costs, and helping the environment, but also plays a vital role in ensuring there is major customer satisfaction. Therefore, as seen, there are many operational applications involved in the logistic structure of the car tyre manufacturing industry. I hope you enjoyed this new segment today. Good night.